Welcome to Curious Animal Kingdom Birds. Get ready for an exhilarating race as we explore the top 10 fastest birds in the world. These birds are the true rockets of the skies, reaching incredible speeds. Stay with us until the end to find out which one is number one. In 10th place, the ruby-throated hummingbird. These tiny birds are famous for their rapid wing beats and ability to hover in place. They can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour in flight, and their wings beat about 50 times per second. Ruby-throated hummingbirds have specialized flight muscles that give them the power to hover and fly in any direction. Their agility allows them to feed on nectar from flowers while remaining almost motionless in the air. This unique flying ability sets them apart from other birds. In addition to their speed, ruby-throated hummingbirds are known for their long migrations. They travel up to 2,000 miles between their breeding and wintering grounds, demonstrating both endurance and resilience. These small yet powerful birds are truly extraordinary. In 9th place, the barn swallow. These birds are known for their agile and fast flight, reaching speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Found in many parts of the world, barn swallows are easily recognizable by their forked tails and acrobatic flying style. Barn swallows have long, pointed wings that enable them to maneuver quickly and chase insects in flight. They are incredibly agile, making sharp turns and dives with ease as they hunt for food. Their flight is not only fast but also highly coordinated, often seen in large flocks performing synchronized aerial displays. Besides their impressive speed and agility, barn swallows are known for their long migrations. They travel thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds, showcasing their endurance and navigational skills. These small but mighty birds are truly remarkable flyers. In 8th place, the American kestrel. This small falcon can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and is known for its agile and rapid flight. Found throughout the Americas, the kestrel is a skilled hunter, preying on insects and small mammals. American kestrels have pointed wings and long tails that provide exceptional maneuverability in the air. They are capable of hovering in place while searching for prey, then diving swiftly to capture it. Their speed and agility make them effective hunters in various environments. Besides their hunting prowess, American kestrels have keen eyesight that allows them to spot prey from great heights. Their ability to combine speed with precision hunting techniques makes them one of the most impressive birds of prey. In 7th place, the black swift. These birds are among the fastest flyers, reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. Black swifts are known for their endurance and ability to fly for long periods without stopping. Black swifts have long, narrow wings that provide excellent lift and speed. They spend most of their lives in the air, catching insects on the wing and rarely landing. Their streamlined bodies and powerful wing beats allow them to cover vast distances quickly. In addition to their speed, black swifts are known for their incredible migratory journeys. They travel thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds, often flying at high altitudes. These aerial acrobats are truly remarkable for their speed and endurance. In 6th place, the Arctic tern. Known for its long migratory routes, the Arctic tern can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour in sustained flight and up to 40 miles per hour in short bursts. These birds migrate from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year, covering up to 44,000 miles annually. Arctic terns have slender bodies and long wings that enable efficient and fast flight. Their long migrations are a testament to their endurance and navigational skills. They are capable of flying non-stop for long distances, navigating across vast oceans. Besides their speed, Arctic terns are known for their agility in the air. They can make quick turns and dives, catching fish and other prey while in flight. Their ability to combine speed with endurance makes them one of the most remarkable migratory birds. In fifth place, the pintail duck. These ducks are known for their swift and agile flight, reaching speeds of up to 65 miles per hour. Found in many parts of the world, pintail ducks are recognizable by their slender bodies and long, pointed tails. Pintail ducks have powerful flight muscles that allow them to take off quickly and fly at high speeds. They are often seen flying in V formations, which help them conserve energy during long flights. Their speed and agility make them adept at evading predators and navigating various landscapes. Besides their impressive flight speed, pintail ducks are known for their long migrations. They travel great distances between their breeding and wintering grounds, showcasing their endurance and resilience. These fast-flying ducks are truly remarkable for their speed and adaptability. In fourth place, the frigate bird. Known for its incredible aerial abilities, the frigate bird can reach speeds of up to 95 miles per hour. Found in tropical and subtropical oceans, frigate birds are masters of the skies, rarely landing and often soaring for days on end. Frigate birds have long, narrow wings and a deeply forked tail that provide excellent lift and maneuverability. They are capable of flying at high speeds and covering vast distances without tiring. Their streamlined bodies and powerful wing beats make them formidable flyers. Besides their speed, frigate birds are known for their aerial acrobatics. They can perform sharp turns, dives, and climbs with ease, often seen chasing other birds to steal food. Their combination of speed and agility makes them one of the most impressive aerial predators. In third place, the wandering albatross. Known for its long wings and ability to glide effortlessly over the ocean, the wandering albatross can reach speeds of up to 67 miles per hour. These birds are found in the Southern Ocean and are known for their incredible endurance. Wandering albatrosses have the longest wingspan of any bird, allowing them to cover vast distances with minimal effort. They can glide for hours without flapping their wings, using wind currents to stay aloft. Their speed and efficiency in flight are unmatched. Besides their speed, wandering albatrosses are known for their long migrations. They travel thousands of miles across the open ocean, showcasing their endurance and navigational skills. These majestic birds are truly remarkable for their ability to combine speed with endurance. In second place, the golden eagle. Known for its strength, speed, and sharp vision, the golden eagle is one of the most powerful raptors in the world. Found across the northern hemisphere, golden eagles use their impressive hunting skills to capture a wide range of prey. Golden eagles have powerful talons and beaks, which they use to grasp and kill their prey. They are capable of diving at speeds of over 150 miles per hour, using their sharp talons to strike and immobilize their targets. Golden eagles hunt a variety of animals, including rabbits, squirrels, and even large mammals such as deer. In addition to their physical prowess, golden eagles are highly intelligent and strategic hunters. They often hunt in pairs, using coordinated attacks to outmaneuver and capture their prey. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot prey from great distances, and their powerful wings enable them to soar effortlessly over vast territories. The golden eagle's combination of strength, speed, and intelligence makes it the ultimate predator in the avian world. Its majestic presence and impressive hunting techniques inspire awe and respect, making it the second fastest bird in our list of the best hunting techniques. And finally, the fastest bird in the world, the peregrine falcon. Known for its incredible speed during hunting stoops, the peregrine falcon can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Found worldwide, these falcons are known for their precision and power when diving to catch their prey. Peregrine falcons have specially adapted muscles and wings that allow them to reach such high speeds. Their streamlined bodies and powerful flight muscles enable them to dive with incredible force, making them formidable hunters. They primarily prey on other birds, catching them mid-air with their sharp talons. In addition to their speed, peregrine falcons have excellent vision, which helps them spot prey from great distances. Their hunting technique involves high-altitude dives, where they fold their wings and plummet towards their target with incredible speed and precision. They use their sharp talons to strike and immobilize their prey mid-air. The peregrine falcon's unparalleled speed and precision make it the most formidable hunter in the avian kingdom. Their ability to thrive in various environments and their impressive aerial displays continue to captivate bird enthusiasts and scientists alike. These were the top 10 fastest birds in the world. Incredible, isn't it? The speed and agility of these birds are truly awe-inspiring. Want to keep exploring the amazing world of birds with us? Subscribe to Curious Animal Kingdom Birds, watch our playlist for more exciting content, and check out the videos suggested by YouTube. See you on the next adventure.